When Bazigar complete a breeding session, they will get weaker than normal time. In this time, you have to provide them a complete breeding course for continuing breeding process and continuing to lay new eggs. For this task, I want to suggest you three different types of medicine which is really important to remake their body problems and provide them a proper mineral and vitamins which they need in this time. Actually, when birds are laying eggs and preparing new babies, in this time they get something like nutrient fall on their body, because to preparing the new babies they are really work hard, and for this reason their health maybe get weaker and they don't care about their own feeding or their own diet. For this reason, after a complete breeding session, when you separate your new baby birds from the parent, you have to prepare the parent for breed again and start production again and again. For this task, I want to suggest you three types of medicine which is especially very important for Bazigar bird. As a medicine, I want to suggest you a complete calcium course. To complete a calcium course, you can use medicine like Calplex or any other medicine which is preferred for bird or which is preferred for chickens. So to use this medicine need to continue just a 5-day course after a complete breeding session. So the using way of this medicine will be provided in the last part of this video. So let's talk about the other medicine. The second medicine which you have to ensure and you have to provide is vitamin or any kind of multivitamin. Multivitamin ensure the needs of vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, and also the uh, need of vitamin E in bird body, and it must be assured that you complete a vitamin course on the time when your bird are preparing for a new breeding session. The third medicine which I want to prefer is zinc supplement. Actually, zinc supplement is ensure a perfect immune system for birds, because multivitamin and this zinc type medicine are really helpful to get them healthier and heal them quickly. So now let's talk about how much amount you have to provide for your bird in all of the medicine. If you want to give all the medicine in the same time, you can do this task very easily. To prepare the solution, just add 1 ml of calcium source or Calplex and add 1 ml of multivitamin liquid and add 1 ml of Gisvat or any type of zinc source which is preferred for bird, and give this water to your bird for 6 hours in a day, and continue this process for at least 5 to 7 days, and within this time your bird will get properly healed and prepare for a new breeding session and start laying egg again and again. But for your kind information, don't try to use these three medicine regularly, because that's a course of just 5 to 7 day. In regular basis use, this may problem for your bird, so don't try to do this. And one more thing, don't use a prepared solution for more than 1 day. Just prepare a solution of 3 ml of all medicine and uh, 1 liter of water, and give it to your bird for 6 hours. After 6 hours you have to change the water and give them normal fresh water for next 18 hours, and after a single day you can repeat this process from at least 5 to 7 days to complete this course. So by continuing this process you can easily help your bird to get healed properly and get start breeding process again. So thanks for watching the full video. If you want to get more information about Bazikar bird rearing and their breeding process, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get new video notification quickly.